Quina here, another soup video. Today, right, is really related to my experience. Now, as you know, I'm pregnant, and so I'm very close to my due date, and because of that, right, sometimes, a lot of the times in the middle of the night, I have to wake up early. So I didn't have a really good sleep, right? So because of that, I want a soup that actually help with quality of sleep, yeah? So, and also want to leave smooth. Also, at the same time, right, the soup also is good for reducing cholesterol and fighting radicals, right, which is high in antioxidants. So plenty of good benefits, and also one of the plus points is that it actually helps lactating mother, right, or people like me to make sure I have enough milk to breastfeed in the near future. Now let's go to the ingredients, right? Today, first off, we have a green papaya. Ideally, you want something that's totally green, totally unripe, something that's really hard. Mine actually is not perfect today, but this is the most green one I can find in the supermarket, unfortunately. And I really want to boil this soup, so that's why I still buy it, right? But ideally, you want something that's totally green, totally unripe, and totally hard. Then next up, we have bamboo pea. A bamboo pea is something that is it's like it has a nickname called bamboo ginseng, so it has a lot of good benefits as well. One of it is actually helping to reduce cholesterol and blood pressure. Yeah, and then what's up? We have red lotus seed. This one is actually to help with sleeping, calming effect, eases the mind, spirits. And then we have dried rose. Dried rose, this is from France, so that's why it's not super red or pink. This is my boy. Hi. And the dried rose is good for lifting mood. Yeah, and the green papaya, as I said earlier, is very good for pregnant mothers to prepare us to, make sure we have enough breast milk in the near future for breastfeeding. And of course, the other good thing about green papaya is it's really, really good for digestion, and also it neutralizes the acidity in our body. And so acidity is the one that can easily lead to problems, a lot of diseases. So that's great, right? Now, what do we do with how do we do the steps? So next, first up, we of course we blanch the pork, right? I use loin rib, right? This one, if you can, loin rib is a bit more expensive, but this is one of the leaner ones. So your soup will be very, very little fat. And it has the bone, the sweetness from the bone as well, so it's really good. So blanch the pork, and then what do we do? First, we soak the dried scallop, and then we also soak the bamboo pea at the same time, right? The dried scallop we use hot water because we want it to be quick. Because later we want to shred it. And the bamboo pea, we just soak in normal tap water, and then we rinse the red lotus seed as well, and also the dried rose, and then we can cut the green papaya. Now, my green papaya is a bit large. This is about 1 kilo, so I won't be using too much of that as well. So just, so comment if you want the recipe, or go to my Apple app, right, in the app. Yeah, so then with that said, we just put everything into the pot, and we boil it for about 2.5 hours to 3 hours, depending on your preference as well. Yeah, so again, I really hope you enjoy the soup. This soup is really, really, it should be sweet and savory. Yeah, I don't want to use too much of the papaya, and somehow today mine is actually a bit ripe, so it's going to be more sweeter than usual. So, but if you use the very unripe one, so it won't be too sweet. Yeah, but mine, I think today will be a bit more on the sweet side. Yeah, unfortunately. So great. So then I really hope you enjoy. I really hope you benefit from the soup, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much.